how to get a low fuel consumption in drive and higher fuel consumption in neutral, because this is an automatic. So if you are going downhill and don't press the accelerator, then you get 0 liters consumption. Now it's not downhill, it is in drive. I'm pressing the accelerator, it's consuming, that's logical. And when I'm going to go downhill and release the accelerator, then the fuel consumption will be 0. If I remove it from gear, now it will be downhill. So it's in neutral. Notice the fuel consumption. I'm not pressing the accelerator. I have to brake also because we're going down. But we have 1 point something liters fuel consumption in neutral. So when you are going downhill, you have some consumption, 0.6 liters. Now it's in drive, I'm not pressing the accelerator, and fuel consumption should go down. 0.3, it's not yet 0. Now it's 0. So downhill, car is in gear and you have lower consumption compared to when the car is in neutral. Neutral again, and fuel consumption increases 0.405 liters. Drive again and it should go down, yes, 0. Lower fuel consumption in gear and higher fuel consumption in neutral. But this is available only when you are going downhill, because if you don't press the accelerator in drive, then it's going to slow down.